When you're seeking regulatory approval from the FDA, is it always necessary to do trials in the U.S.?
Not always, but clinical data that's conducted outside the United States, or OUS, is more often used for pilot studies, while pivotal trials tend to be performed more in the United States. The key issue is whether or not the patient populations and the treatment paradigms are considered comparable by the FDA. Officially, according to regulation, FDA is required to consider OUS data if it meets defined criteria. But the agency is increasingly less likely these days to agree that OUS treatment standards are equivalent. So for example, with respect to cardiology devices, there tends to be a greater use of 2B3A inhibitors outside the United States. And in those cases, there may be differences in bleeding seen. And therefore, FDA has often said that they want to rely more on US data where they understand the treatment paradigms better. With respect to obesity devices, it's interesting to note that there seems to be a greater weight loss seen outside the United States with a device than is seen inside the United States with the same device. So in order to deal with these issues, my advice to clients is that no more than 25% of a company's pivotal data should be conducted OUS. In addition, they should discuss in advance with the FDA why the OUS data would be applicable, and they need to be certain that the treatment paradigms outside and inside the United States are the same.